In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a hotel booking website with Wix 2026 guide. By the end, you'll have a polished, user-friendly site that showcases your property and makes it easy for guests to reserve a room. Start on your Wix dashboard. If you're new to the platform, the sign-up flow is straightforward, and once you're in, you'll land on the main workspace. Click Create New Site to begin. This opens the setup process and gets you ready to choose a starting point that fits your needs. To move quickly and keep your design consistent, choose a studio template. These are professionally built and tailored to different industries, which means you're not starting from a blank page. Browse the categories or use the search bar to find hotel booking options. Take your time to preview a few templates so you can see how the homepage, rooms section, and reservation areas feel in action. Pick the one that best reflects the tone you want for your property. Luxurious, cozy, modern, or minimalist. And think about how your photos and messaging will sit within that style. Once your template opens in the Wix editor, you'll see pre-structured sections like image galleries and a reservation form. Replace the placeholder text with your real content, starting with your hotel name and key headlines. Keep descriptions clear and benefit focused so guests immediately understand what sets your property apart. Swap out stock images for high quality photos of your rooms, lobby, amenities, and nearby attractions. Good lighting and consistent angles go a long way toward building trust and interest. Use the design tools to customize fonts, colors, and layouts so everything aligns with your brand. A cohesive palette, tissot, and 2 to 3 complementary typefaces will keep the site polished. As you refine the design, prioritize usability. Make the Book Now button prominent, keep navigation simple, and avoid clutter that could distract from pricing, availability, and room details. Aim for clear contrast and generous spacing so text is easy to read on any screen. When you're happy with the look and content, click Publish to take the site live instantly. Follow the prompt to view your live site and browse it like a guest. Check the homepage, rooms pages, and reservation form, and make sure links, buttons, and contact details are easy to find. Preview on both desktop and mobile to confirm everything loads quickly and feels intuitive. If you spot anything to improve, return to the editor, make your adjustments, and publish updates anytime. That's it. Your hotel booking website is live, inviting, and ready for visitors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.